What's going on, everyone? Just got this iPhone 11 in. Pretty smashed. Dropped from the 3rd floor. Let's see if we could revive it. I'm going to go ahead and take off our Pentelobe screws on the bottom. This is pretty bad, but I've seen worse. Saying she's got important data in here, so hopefully we can help her out. So first thing we're going to do is remove the battery plate and disconnect the battery. You got those 3 screws here. Let's go ahead and take them off. Also got one right here underneath the flex. Let's remove the plate. Disconnect the battery. Now we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. These are all Tripoint. I will have a link in the description for all the tools and parts we used for this. All right, remove that plate. Battery's already disconnected. Disconnect the LCD and the digitizer connectors, the earpiece speaker. Okay, we're going to go ahead and remove this Tripoint here. These are all different sizes, keep them in order. And then this one's a Phillips, the rest on this is a Phillips screw. Hopefully she still has Face ID. This looks pretty bad. Looks like we could work with it. Doesn't look too bad. Okay. Before we install anything onto the new screen, I'm going to make sure the phone is functional. So let's connect the new screen. Sorry, it's just an awkward position for me because I just want you guys to see it. Okay, hook the battery up. Just hook a charger to it, maybe it's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and install this everything on the screen while I have the phone on charge, and we'll get back to it. And connect that battery, put it back on charge. Let's go ahead and remove this film. Copy the data off the screen. Oh, this flex is so bad that it just keeps moving around. It's getting kind of annoying. There we go. All right, you hook that up. You hit, this is all of the serial for the screen. We're going to copy that. Disconnect the old screen. As you can see, there's no data on here. We hit right. And all the screen data is transferred. That's it. Put this guy away. Going to get our earpiece speaker, put it in place. Get our screws. Remember, these screws are all different sizes. They have to go back to where they came out of. Okay, let's go ahead and connect it. First thing we're going to do is connect the earpiece speaker flex. It's easier to work with afterwards. Make sure it's in there. Connect the LCD and the digitizer. Connect the battery. Let's see if we got any juice into it or not. Nope, it's still charging. Well, I'm gonna let it charge and we'll come right back to it. Okay, we're booting up. I've already put the plates and screws back. I'm gonna test the screen. If the screen works fine, I'm gonna put it back together. So what you do with this is line up the top. Once the top's lined up, gently push down from the sides. And when you get to the bottom, put your thumbs right over here and push back and slide into place. All right, that's your display message. No matter what you do, it's going to show that for a couple days and then it will disappear. Nope, looks like we're going to have touch issues with this one. Let's go ahead and reopen it. See if it's a bad screen or something's wrong with the phone. This is exactly why I wanted to test it before I installed everything, but since the phone was dead. I'm going to try reconnecting it first, just in case it was a bad connection. Yeah, now we have no touch at all. Let's go ahead and try another screen. Because this is a sandwich board, I mean, it could be that the board has separated. So if that's the case, the new screen doesn't fix it, then we'll talk to the customer if they want to go on with the repair. It's a whole different story. We'll take care of it for them, but let me try another screen. Okay, that's good. Okay, yes, it was a screen issue. So let's go ahead and swap it out. Disconnect the battery, disconnect the screen. This one will go right back to our distributor. Go ahead and put this guy right back. what the deal is, but sometimes they don't line these up correctly, so you'll have to pull it out and manually put them on. There we go. This is my Tripoint. Okay, same thing. Ear flex goes in first. Test it one more time before I put everything on. That on the old screen. Okay, we're good to go. Put the plate back on. Let's put our screws on. I lost one of these screws, so let me get another one. There we go, same thing, line up the front. Okay, working touch, that's it. Please like and subscribe. If there is a specific video that you guys would like me to make on a certain repair, let me know. If possible, I'll go ahead and do it for you guys. And again, please like and subscribe for more repair videos. Thank you, and you guys have a good day.